Good evening everybody, welcome to this Saturday evening Sport in Memories quiz, and this evening, new subject for you this time. We're going to look at Olympic swimming. So Olympic swimming questions, 15 questions as usual to go through, all based around Sport in Memories. And if you're ready with your pen and paper, I'll start you off on question number 1. So Olympic swimming is the theme, and question number 1 goes like this. In what year was a swimming pool first used for swimming events at the Olympics? Was it 1904, 1908 or 1912? So in what year was a swimming pool of some description first used for a swimming event at the Olympic Games? Was it 1904, was it 1908 or 1912? Probably long before most people's time, but give it a go. It's easier because it's a multiple choice. Question number 2. What was unusual about the events in which Mark Spitz won his 7 gold medals at the Munich Olympics in 1972? What was unusual about the events in which Mark Spitz won his 7 gold medals at the Munich Games in 1972? That's question 2. Question number 3. Which male British swimmer won gold for the 100 metres breaststroke at the 1980 Olympic Games in Moscow? Which British swimmer won gold for the 100 metres breaststroke at the 1980 Olympic Games? The 1980. Number 4, another gold medal winner. Which Briton won the gold medal in the 200 metres breaststroke at the Montreal Olympic Games in 1976? Which Briton won the gold medal in the 200 metres breaststroke at the Montreal Olympics in 1976, also setting a new world record as he did it? That's question number 4. Question number 5, going back in time a bit this one, but see what you make of this. Number 5, Johnny Weissmuller won 5 Olympic gold medals for the United States during the 1920s. But what was he better known for? Johnny Weissmuller won 5 Olympic gold medals for the USA during the 1920s. But what was he much better known for? That's number 5. Number 6. Which British female swimmer at the age of 18 won an Olympic silver medal in the 400 metres individual medley behind the East German Petra Schneider? Which British female swimmer at the age of 18 won an Olympic silver medal in the 400 metres individual medley behind the East German Petra Schneider? That's number 6. Number 7. Number 7 is, at which Olympics were swimming goggles first permitted? At which Olympic Games were the use of swimming goggles first permitted? That's number 7. Number 8. Which Briton, who dominated British swimming during the late 1980s, won gold in the 100 metres breaststroke at the 1988 Seoul Olympics by a winning margin of 1/100th of a second? Which Briton, who dominated British swimming in the late 80s, won gold in the 100 metres breaststroke at the 1988 Seoul Olympics by a winning margin of 1/100th of a second? That's number 8. Number 9. By the time he retired at Rio in 2016, Michael Phelps had collected a very impressive haul of medals. But how many of those medals were Olympic golds? By the time he retired at Rio in 2016, Michael Phelps had collected a very impressive haul of medals. how many Olympic gold medals had he won out of that big haul of medals? How many gold medals has Michael Phelps won in total? Olympic gold medals. And that brings us now on to question number 10. Which British swimmer won Team GB's first gold medal at the 2016 Olympics with a world record of 57.13 seconds in the 100 metres breaststroke? Which British swimmer won Team GB's first gold of the 2016 Olympics with a world record time of 57.13 seconds in the 100 metres breaststroke? That's number 10. Number 11. Which Olympic Games were the most successful for the Olympic champion Ian Thorpe? Which Olympic Games became the most successful for Olympic champion Ian Thorpe? That's number 11. Question number 12. Who was the first woman to win 6 gold medals at a single Olympic Games, doing so at the 1988 Seoul Olympics? Who was the first woman to win 6 gold medals at a single Olympic Games, doing so at the 1988 Seoul Olympics? That was number 12. Should be on 13 now, 15. Who is the Russian swimmer who won 4 individual golds and is widely considered to be the greatest sprint swimmer in history? Who is the Russian swimmer who won 4 individual golds and is widely considered to be the greatest sprint swimmer in history? And that leads us nicely to question 14. What is the shortest race in the Olympic swimming? What is the shortest race that's held in Olympic swimming? That's number 14. And your final question for Olympic swimming is this. What are the order of strokes in the individual medley? What are the order of strokes that you have to take part in the individual medley competition at the Olympic Games? What order do they go in? So that concludes the 15 questions on Olympic swimming. I hope you didn't find them too strenuous or too difficult, and I hope also they brought back a few nostalgic memories of earlier Olympics. So I look forward to sharing the answers with you on Sunday evening, and bye bye for now. Bye.